Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today we're gonna talk uh, the the iPhone 10. Yeah, so rumors and everything we know so far. So guys, now let's quickly revise some stuffs about the iPhone 10. So guys, the iPhone 10 is powered by the A11 Bionic chip, and it was launched in 2017. So and that has a OLED display, which is really a new thing, and the wireless charging, which is again new, and that notch everybody knows. And guys, the interesting thing about the notch is that the most of the OEMs are now implementing that notch in their phone, as well as we have seen in the Huawei P20 and now the G7 ThinQ. So yeah, that notch has changed everything, guys. I have to say, most of the people just like that notch, and most of the people are really against that notch. But yeah, you cannot tell. But yeah, this is the thing now. Yeah, and guys, there are rumors that we'll get two iPhones of different sizes, one with 6.5 and another one with 5.8 and another one with 6.1, but I don't think so that will come. So yeah, the rumors are to be two iPhones with different sizes. So if it happens, then it would be really good. And guys, this is the rumored, or what do you say, leaked picture of the digitizer of iPhone X Plus or 11, whatever you call it, of 6.5 inch. And as you can see, it's really big. But yeah, we'll see is it gonna come or not. And the size is really big, and we'll see how the Apple does that, because we haven't seen any iPhone which is this big. As you can see, so the size is really big. But yeah, so now let's talk about the chip, the processor. And guys, the rumors are that the new A12 chip will be made by 7 nanometer process, and if this happens, then this chip will be the most less power consuming chip of all time and the best chip. The A11 Bionic chip is again a really good chip by Apple. Then A12 chip will gonna change everything. And about the RAM, there will be two variants, 4 GB for the bigger and 3 GB, or 3 GB for smaller variant. And guys, as you all know, as compared to the Android, the iOS needs very less amount of RAM, because iOS is really stable. So 4 GB and 3 GB is really good for iOS. So guys, now about the camera. And guys, I don't know that much about the camera, but the rumors are the iPhone 11 or X Plus or whatever that is comes with 3 cameras and have 5x zoom facility, I would say. So if iPhone 11 has 5x zoom, then that would be really good. And improved AR technology, that is augmented reality, that we have seen in iPhone 10. So we'll get the improved version of that. So we'll get uh, new things. So yeah, so we are expecting that. So guys, this is for this video now. And guys, let me in the comments below what you are expecting from iPhone 11 or iPhone X Plus or whatever you call it. And there's one more phone, and that is the SE2. Yeah, that is, I really forgot that. And so if you want to know about the iPhone SE, then let me in the comments below. And guys, yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Yeah, goodbye, see you later. And yeah, goodbye. And guys, hit the subscribe button. Yeah.